Hi, this is Chris Lavin from Xtreme Polishing Systems, and we are here today at our location for Newcrete Surgeons, which is our contracting organization that does a lot of the polishing of concrete floors, grinding, prepping, and we secure a lot of these jobs. So a lot of people that are out there in YouTube land and out there across the great yonder want to learn how to do polished concrete floors. They can come down here and not just learn on a slab in the backyard, but they can learn on an actual project that's going, and several of them. We have a lot of projects going on. So make sure if you want to learn about this business, come down. We have a lot of awesome opportunities here for people to get in, get their hands on, get their hands dirty, and learn the great industry of polishing concrete. Today we're going to be doing a overlayment material made by Rapid Set. CTS Cement is Rapid Set True, and Rapid Set True has made a product that's gray in color. This one here is more of a cream color, but they've made us a gray concrete mix with a aggregate that will be seeding into the pour as it goes, as well as it also being in the bag. So it's the aggregate's in the bag, and then you're going to get a bucket filled with extra aggregate that you can sprinkle on at the end, okay, to get the full aggregate look that you're looking for. Today we're going to be meeting Jose, Joe, great support guys from CTS Cement. It's a phenomenal product. I highly recommend this product. It's one of the best overlays on the market. What we've done is we've done an epoxy, 100% solids, that we've ground the floor, prepped it with a 16 grit metal bond diamond, put our 100% solid water-based epoxy on top of that, so that's grabbing onto the pores of the concrete, and then we've broadcast it to rejection with sand, vacuumed up the sand, and now we're going to go and we're going to make some magic happen by getting our hippo buckets out, which is going to allows you to bring at least a minimum of 3 bags at a time that you can whip up, and you can pour out that. So that covers about 45 feet per hippo bucket. It's a 700-foot job, so we're going to be obviously doing about 15 or 16 of those hippo buckets filled with the Rapid Set material. It's going to go very fast. This is going to take probably about an hour to lay everything down and to use our porcupine rollers. So sit back and enjoy the show. Hope you've enjoyed everything that you've witnessed here today, from the pouring of the concrete and all the hard work and effort that the guys put into that, and then also the polishing, because the polishing takes time to do and to do it right, especially when you're dealing with engineered cements. They're a little bit more trickier than normal cement. This product here I wanted to show to you here at the end is the regular rapid set true, and we've broadcast this with just glass and mirror, and this is not polished. So you can kind of take a good look at that. And that's what we've done on this floor here, except instead of the glass and the mirror, we've put the actual aggregate, the stone, in there. So what we've done and accomplished here today is we've gone, after we poured it, we let it set overnight. We came back and we used 30 grit metal bond diamonds. We went with 70 grit metals, 120 metals, not only on the whole field of the floor, but also along the same time with the edges. We then went with 50 grit resin pad, 100 grit resin pad, 200 resin. At 400 we used our special densifier, which is Xtreme hard densifier. If there was to be color to be put on the floor, you would put color down before the densifier. We then hit with an 800 pad, a 1500, and a 3000, giving this the mirror-like finish that we have here today. This floor is an XPS 3000 diamond shine, and we've also put our Xtreme shield as a protector on the floor, which will hold up against many of your spills that you'll have. If you're going to do with a lot of acidity, or you're going to get into a lot of mechanics, oils and whatnot, we have different sealers available, so also make sure you ask your sales rep for that. But I want to thank everybody for joining us here out on YouTube. Once again, you can always Facebook us at Xtreme Polishing Systems. You can go and Facebook me, Christopher Lavin, L-A-V-I-N. I've been getting a lot of hits from a lot of people out there. They've enjoyed some of our epoxy videos. We have our one video that's going to be going on 1 million views here, hopefully in the next couple weeks. So we want to thank you for joining us, and maybe a lot of you have come through that video to see this video. And I want to welcome you. Just make sure you subscribe, so that way you can get updated when new videos come out on polished concrete floors. Thanks so much, and enjoy the day.